We will be looking at equations of a line, specifically slope-intercept form, and how to graph these equations. The slope-intercept form of an equation of a line has a slope of m and a y-intercept of b. It is given by y equals mx plus b. So, if we want to determine the slope and the y-intercept of the equation, we can take this equation given in standard form and rewrite it into slope-intercept form. I'm going to start by subtracting 6x on both sides. This gives me a negative 8y equals a negative 6x plus 32. I then am going to divide by negative 8 on both sides. This leaves y equals a negative 6x divided by a negative 8 reduces to 3/4 x, and 32 divided by a negative 8 is a negative 4. And remembering that m is my slope and b is the y-coordinate of my y-intercept, then I know that my slope is 3/4 and that my y-intercept is the point 0, negative 4. When we have the equation of a line in slope-intercept form, we can use that to help us graph the line. We know then that our b value of negative 5 is our y-intercept, so 0, negative 5 is a point on this line. I then know that I have a slope of 2, meaning I'm going to rise 2 units and run 1 unit to find another point on my line. I can then connect these 2 points to make the line, or if I wanted, I could rise another 2 units and run another unit until I see a better picture of this line for me to connect. When given the slope of a line and a point that's on the line, I can find an equation of that line. I'm going to remember that y equals mx plus b is the slope-intercept form of a line where m is slope and b is the y-intercept. So y equals 1/2 x plus b is the equation of a line that has a slope of 1/2. I'm then going to use my point, negative 4, 6, and realize that that point is an xy on this line. I will use that xy in my equation to find b, my y-intercept. So 6 is my y-coordinate. We'll multiply that, 1/2 is my slope, times negative 4, my x-coordinate, plus b. This gives us a linear equation where we can solve for b. 6 equals a negative 2 plus b. I'm going to add 2 to both sides to see that 8 is b, or my y-intercept. Making sure that I answer the question, I need to write my answer in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to say that y equals 1/2 my slope times x plus 8, my y-intercept.